for Pakistan. Today I'm going to be discussing with you why climate change is an emergency. Reason number 1, because of national security. When I come to talk about national security, I mean floods, droughts, and etc. And also public safety. In public, there are many vector-borne diseases like malaria and dengue, and even water-borne diseases. And reason number 3, because of sea elevation. That means sea level rise. And many cities near to the coast are flooded because of this. And also food production and supply will also decrease due to these floods. And when there are heavy rains and floods, that means buildings will also be damaged. And factor number 6, and the most important, is water scarcity. Even many regions in Pakistan don't have water.